In a small town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a boy named Ravi. At just 12 years old, Ravi was known for his curious eyes, dusty sneakers, and a heart full of questions. His family didn't have much, but they had enough, and his mother always reminded him, "We may not be rich, but we are honest. That's worth more than gold." One sunny afternoon, as Ravi was walking home from school, something shiny caught his eye near the park bench. It was a wallet, thick, brown leather, and clearly expensive. Nervously, he picked it up and peeked inside. His eyes widened. Money. Lots of it. There were cards, some receipts, and a picture of a smiling little girl. His mind raced. With this money, I could buy a new bike. Or maybe get my mother that sari she always looks at in the market. For a moment, he sat there frozen, torn between want and conscience. He thought of his mother's words, "Worth more than gold." Without another thought, he ran to the nearest police station and handed the wallet to the officer on duty. The officer, surprised at the boy's honesty, took his name and called the wallet's owner. Later that evening, a man knocked on Ravi's door. Dressed in a crisp suit and eyes filled with relief, he held Ravi's hand tightly. "You don't know what this means to me," the man said. "That picture in the wallet is of my daughter. She passed away 2 years ago. I carry her photo everywhere." He reached into his pocket, trying to offer a reward, but Ravi shook his head. "I just did what my mother taught me." The man smiled, knelt to his level, and said, "Then she has taught you something truly priceless." Moral: honesty is doing the right thing when no one is watching. And sometimes that quiet act becomes the loudest echo in someone else's life.